Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans. I am a happy planner fanatic, and here on YouTube I share all sorts of tips and tricks and plan with me videos and unboxings, organizing stuff, just all sorts of different things, a little bit about my life here and there. And this video is going to be a plan with me in my dashboard classic layout planner. And I am going to be using this neutral watercolor sticker book, but I am looking forward to using this book. This is a pretty new book, and back here there's like really big, I mean, look at this. This is like a massive sticker, and I really like the colors. There's like lots of pastels and the browns and the pinks and the blues, and then these good greens too. So let's go ahead and begin. My thumb is getting better. I just feel like right now I can't really use it as much. I just really want it to stay, you know, the skin like pushed together. If you didn't see my last video, then you're gonna be like, what are you talking about? But yesterday in my other video, actually right before I pressed film, I was using my retractable X-Acto knife, and I was like doing everything, and then I went to go click it, but instead of clicking this side, I clicked this side when it was fully up. So I fully pressed down on this brand new blade, and boy, did it scare the mess out of me. I was, oh my gosh, I was a mess. So anyways, we are moving on. We are moving on. Okay. I think I really want to use this big, huge circle one. I think it's just so pretty. And it's huge, which I like to use big stickers on my dashboard planner because there's just so much room on this side. So I really like to decorate a lot on this side. Look at that. So this was my 18-month planner. So I started it in July. I've been using the extension pack for the dashboard planner until July. So in July, I moved into this planner. So it finished in December, and now it is continuing January through December. So it's an 18-month planner. So July through December, I did like 2 sections where, no, you can't see it over here. But I did like a to-do section and then like a extra video section. But I don't know, like some weeks I used it, some weeks I didn't. So I'm really not totally sure what, like how I want to continue. But for right now, let me just kind of play it by ear. All right, I like this plan on it. See what other big boxes there are. Live in the moment. This brown things to do is like, ugh. So it goes really well with this. So let's see. Yes, that's cute. So the plan, this can be like where I want to put put my goals for the week, a little reminder, something like that. Let's put a box on Wednesday, Friday kind of area. So I will pull up this one because that's the kind of theme that we're going with. And then this color, Saturday's always a good, oops, oh no. I was saying Saturday's always a good day to have a box down. Look at me, I cannot put this down. Let's do like one of these for like time to hustle. And then there was those longer ones, yeah, like this. Put your heart into it, cute. This would be a great box. Look at that. Okay, so as far as the label for that, let me find that like today's focus kind of. There's like maybe back here. Yes, today's list. Look how adorable. Oh, you guys, the layering is like my fave. So Monday, because I'm doing this on Tuesday, Monday got totally ignored. Like it was a mess because I was a mess. So I can, oh, yeah. Let me just put like a box on it and then we can just move on with our life. Growth is growth, no matter how small. Oh, look at this plan on it. Look at these. Look how beautiful. Dream big. She just shines. Aw. I like that these can go sideways because I'm going to put she just shines. That's like so beautiful. I really like these page flags. I always like to use them if they match. So I will go ahead and start putting those down. Okay, and then I want to do a little bit of something down here on Sunday. I wonder if I should just put like a really good box because, I mean, I do a lot of filming on the weekends, so I wonder if I should just do that. I want to label it. So put like, I love all these words. Something like important. I would love the word like film over and over and over again, but I just don't have that. Oops, just pulled this up. I like crushed it. I love that handwriting. It's like my favorite. I wish I could write like that. I think I want to make my own little list down here, maybe for like the new year. And I'll go ahead and label it. Let me see, maybe I should flip this over because this is longer down right here, so it leaves space for the, you know, label or title, whatever. I'm not totally sure on all of these things. I have them written in my phone and I'm filming with my phone, so I can't really look at them right now, but hopefully that gives you guys kind of an idea. Oh, I was also going to put a label on this. But honestly, this is what my social media planner is for, just for me to like write down everything, nothing at all. You know, it's just a place for me to have a spot where I can jot things down if I need to. And it's not like a major pressure to, you know, constantly use it or anything like that. It's just a spot where I can have some space if I need to use it, you know? Worry-free. Aw, that like, that helped a lot. I like it. I like it a lot. Right. So I really like the colors. I think like gold and pink and brown, it's giving me a little bit, I don't know, like the pink feels like I should have done it in February, but I like it. I like it either way. Maybe I should have done the, you know, more of like this color stuff, but I still like it either way. Oh, there was also this kind of strip. Could always put kind of like this. I don't know. Just kind of mess around with stuff. Okay, maybe the last thing I could do, I am on the struggle bus, is put one of these. Oh, that's like stuff to do. Grocery shop, take time for me, coffee date. Never mind. I thought I was going to say like reminder or something. Focus, do, cancel. No, it's all good. All right, that's gonna be it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And like I said, you know, this was like one of those videos. I don't even know if I completely want to put it up, but I'm going to anyways because I'm here to be the real me. And the real me is showing you that I am struggling. But either way, I think that the spread came out nicely. So, you know, not a total fail. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And until then, please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.